Flying with the Virginia Air National Guard, the Arkansas National Guard, the 57th Gray Wolves, and our FMS countries is truly a testament to the strategic impact of what's happening here at Ebbing Air National Guard Base. We sit in the middle of the country. We sit in a very small but impactful base that is delivering effects across the globe for the entire use of our combatant commanders to really export American defense capabilities abroad and keep our enemies at bay.